Got a minute? Let's make this. This skillet's got sole. It's called sole Meuniere, a really fancy word for fish, sautéed in butter and sprinkled with lemon juice and chopped parsley. It's so simple. Here's what you'll need. Some fresh Dover sole, 2 pieces per serving. 3 lemons, 1 to grate for lemon zest and 2 more for juicing. Some fresh parsley, chopped fine. And then flour, salt, and pepper, which you'll mix together and spread on a plate. Pat the sole dry and sprinkle with salt. Then melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a skillet and get it nice and golden brown. Dredge the fish in the flour mixture and then it goes right into the skillet. Cook for 2 minutes on one side, gently turn over and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of lemon zest, and 2 teaspoons of parsley, plus a little salt and pepper. Cook 2 minutes and it's done. You can keep those warmed in the oven while you make the next batch. Sole Meuniere, the perfect catch for dinner tonight. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.